Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 8 together. Point T sits on the equator at longitude 50 degrees west. Point U is 9,000 nautical miles due east of T, and we want its longitude. Because both points are on the equator, we can measure this whole journey along the equator itself. Here is the key rule. Along the equator, 1 nautical mile equals 1 minute of arc of longitude. And remember, 60 minutes make 1 degree, so 9,000 nautical miles is 9,000 minutes of arc. Dividing by 60 converts minutes into degrees. 9,000 over 60 is 150 degrees. Now travel east. Taking east as positive, we start at minus 50 degrees, the longitude of T, and add 150 degrees. Minus 50 plus 150 gives plus 100 degrees. A positive result means east of Greenwich, so the longitude at U is 100 degrees east. Well done. That's question 8 complete.